This year, we're very excited to welcome our largest class of interns here in Aventiv.
What really drew me into Aventiv is its use of tech and engagement. I think their mission on increasing access to create change and supporting incarcerated individuals and families is very unique.
The internship program here at Aventiv is really foundational in helping shape the technology in corrections. We do this day in and day out, years and years, but to have new, fresh ideas, new eyes, to be able not only to experience, but to also help shape and be a part of this type of technology in corrections for the future.
The most surprising thing was probably the work environment. It's very inviting and very supportive. It's also an opportunity to explore new areas that haven't been explored before and create new technologies that can support the people that need the support and didn't even know that they could have those features before.
All the opportunities here have been fantastic, and it's just great learning about Aventiv and about all the wonderful things you guys do. I liked the unique aspect, and it seemed like something that really made an impact and was able to help people.
One of the things I'm most excited about is the involvement that our interns get to have in our Unity in Action event. This is where they're contributing back to our communities